I see some of you are still having issues completing your registration on the AriChain Discord. While some other questions that I've received so far are those that you forgot your X account, that is the X account you connected, or your X account was banned and the likes. I'm going to be addressing all of those in this video. Now, in case you missed the first video, this is just all about AriChain's registration. For you to do the AriChain registration, you need to first of all update your Ari wallet. In fact, once you tap on it, it will take you to your Play Store where you get to update it. Once you're done updating, you need to fill in your details. Now, the details you'll be filling on your X, sorry, on your AriChain wallet must be the same with what you'll be filling on Discord. Exactly the same. In case you made a mistake, you could still edit. I can see we have about 17 days left, so you don't need to rush and you don't need to panic. If I click on this edit information now, I can edit. Now, one thing again, when you're typing in your Twitter username, make sure to put this at. This at is very important. Look at, very important. So you can see I included it in my own. Now, let's go back. Some of you are asking me, did we link our X to AriChain and the likes and this and that? Yes, you did. During the time when we're participating in mining AriChain, there was a task. The task cannot view now, they have removed it. There was a task that they asked you to connect your X account. So after connecting your X account, you now get to follow AriChain on social media platforms, so follow their other accounts that they put and all of those. So you might have done it and forgotten. Yes. And for those of you that still remember, kudos to you. So pick your X account to locate the registration center on your Discord. You basically open your Discord here. Now you come over to AriChain. In case you're not on their Discord yet, for those of you that have been asking me, I'm not on their Discord, this and the likes. I'm going to still drop the Discord link in the description box of this video, but I don't think you'll be able to join because the time for joining is over. So if you try to join, it might not work. But I'm still going to put it there for you in case. So in case you are unable to join their Discord, just complete the task on the AriWallet itself and hold on. Maybe you might be lucky and they might just pick you. I don't know, but I don't think you're going to be eligible. So this is the AriChain bot here. There are three methods to do this. The first one, you could come to here. Once you click on it, you can tap on it again. As you see, I tap on it again, you can see they now take me to this place directly. Or you can just come on this page. Once you're here, you look at this, how can account registration, this hash here. If it's on your own, you tap on it. You can see it opens up. And in case, for some of you that don't have it, you can still scroll to the bottom. You see another one, account registration, all of this registration and the likes. So you can see, you still tap on it. It takes you to the same page. Once you come to this place, you just go over to this message section. Sometimes they might not let me show you. There was something I was doing then, I did not see the message immediately. Sometimes you might come into this place. Let's see. You might come here and you can see there is nowhere to type in message. Look at this blue arrow here. Type the blue arrow. It is going to take you into it automatically. Then you just enter the message, go here, type that slash. The bot should display. All right, you can see the bot has displayed. This is it here. Because a lot of people are searching for it. I don't know what is. A lot of people are here, so this thing seems to misbehave sometimes. Let me tap it again. All right, you can see Ari registration bot. Select this one that has bot. It's still the same thing anyway. It should take me to the same place. So once I select it, I'll wait again. A lot of people are using this thing, so that is why you might encounter issues sometimes. It's not going. Let me try it again. Okay, let me try it again. Put in the slash. So this portal is currently congested. In case you have any issues, just retry. Let me open it again. And okay, now send. All right, it should take me to the page. You can see it has now taken me to the page automatically. You can see these were the details that I filled initially. I put in my EVM wallet address that I copied from my MetaMask, and I told you that you can use your MetaMask, you can use your Trust wallet, you can use your OKS Web3 wallet. Just go into any of these wallets and copy your Ethereum wallet address and paste. Then you put in your Twitter username. For those of you that your X was banned, even if your X was banned, just pick it as long as you connected it before. Pick it and put. AriChain are also aware that a lot of people's account is banned, but it's recorded in their system. So just put it in. That is not what is going to disqualify you. And for now that I've forgotten the X that you connected, I don't know how to help you. I just don't know. That is basically that. Then you also put in your Ari wallet. This Ari wallet now, you get it from inside your main Ari app. Let's go over. This is my Ari app. So you are going to get this wallet from inside this place. You come here, open it up, and then you click on this receive. Once you tap on receive, you can see this is the wallet address that you can now copy and then come over here and paste it in. Once you're done, you tap on submit. When I did it the first time, it was showing me error, but this time around you can see it has gone through. Just like I said, it is currently congested, so make sure to do all of these details. If you encounter any error, you retry again, and that is basically that about that. So drop your questions in the comment section. I'm going through them. I'm going to still make further videos, and join my Telegram. Check the description box of this video. My Telegram is going to be there, so you can join and stay in touch for updates.